class attire. Where are we? What class is this?
History of Media Recitation.
We got let out of class early because our TA is just a homie. Anyway, we're going to Irving, which is like a coffee place that I always go to, and we're gonna get grilled cheese and coffee. I think I get it like 3 times a week. Like, it's literally getting bad at this point. That's what we want. Hello. I'm vlogging today because I have another busy day. It's also the weekend and I'm so happy that it's the weekend because I don't have to wake up at 7 in the morning, which is great. I already went to class. At 4 I have lunch plans with Lily, Olive, Ashley, Sarah, and me, yeah. And then at 8:30 I have other dinner reservations at Koi. It's 1. I don't need to start getting ready until like 2:45. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do some homework. I have an essay due on Monday. I already ate breakfast and I took my nap, so I have like a lot of energy. I just need to like get out of bed and like start doing shit. But that's like the hardest part for some reason, starting. It's 3:20. God, I need to leave. I just picked out my outfit. I was kind of having like a crisis because like I just felt like I could not put together an outfit, and then we finally put something together. Now I'm rushingly doing my, oh my god, that literally looks like a clown makeup. If you're not using this mascara, I want to know what you're doing with your life. I'm back in my can't pick an aesthetic for shit phase because right now I'm fully dressed like a pumpkin square skater boy. So yeah, there's also that. I think it's time for me to go back to LA. I think I just need to hit reset because I'm kind of starting to go insane. This blazer is from VH New York. I'm wearing this vest that I got from thrifting. This like white graphic shirt, there's nothing on it. My jeans, they're just white jeans. I think they're from like Zara. And then my new Nikes. I honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I kind of hate it, but that's okay. That's where we are. First time.
Can I get the earliest dinner? Really good.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna eat. Bye. Maybe. Are we? Are we? Maybe. We're eating now.
5-spice taco.
This is good too.
Do a little taste test.
Look at this is soy protein. Doesn't it look real? Yes. I kind of wish I had heard it. How is it good?
Great. I'm gonna munch on these spring rolls. I got a lot of packages. Let's open them. First box. These are from Lexola. Oh, I'm so excited. They always have the nicest sunglasses. I think might just stick with the first option. Like, I don't love it with the denim. Guys, it's 8:11. The place is like 20 minutes away from me. I need to leave right now. We're gonna go to Koi, which is like this Japanese restaurant. They have it in LA, but I've literally never gone to the one in LA. So we're trying it out in New York City first.
Wait, guys, actually try this shit. Don't put that in. I'm just kidding.
Okay, let's go. We have another one over here. Black leather jackets. Oh my god. Photo shoot time.
Gosh, blonde woman, please degrade me.
I can use this against Cole. Look at what Nil did. Look at what Nil did. All right. Teenage dirtbag, baby. Okay, we'll play Phoenix in a second. We're gonna play Teenage dirtbag. Oh my god. You're gonna grow up.
This is going to be the best vlog on my entire channel because today is such an exciting day. I'm so excited, like, wow. So it's actually 1:36 p.m. on a Sunday. Tonight I have a concert. I'm going to a Baby Keem concert and I'm so excited. And then earlier in the day, so in like literally an hour, I have brunch plans with Riley and Sarah. We're gonna go to Lafayette for some lemon pancakes. I'm gonna get ready. I already like picked out my outfit. I'm going for like a very casual look because that's what I want, and it's also fucking cold as balls outside for like literally no reason. Outfit rundown before I leave. Hat is from Tatooned. Coat, or like jacket, leather one, is from Depop. Military jacket, ooh, this is a great question. I think it's also from Depop. The shirt is just a black short sleeve. Pants are from Brandy Melville. And then my shoes are Adidas Sambas. The last vlog I filmed was like me, Amanda, Sarah at Lafayette, and then we went out. And then the same thing is happening this weekend. We have Riley, who's back from Europe. We just finished brunch. Actually, this was like fully lunch. It's 4 p.m. Yeah, that was fun. So now we're gonna go to maybe Dover Street Market, which is like this really cool store. It's like a retail store, Uptown. We might go there. We might go to Soho. I don't know. There she is. This is her.
I didn't think it was a old lady. I thought it was a person.
She moves. Sarah found the Mew Mew stuff.
You follow me.
You know.
You know.
The sweater. Look at that bag. This is a crime against humanity.
But I like the ones better that aren't croc, if that makes sense. Like the Bottega kind of. Yeah.
We have left Dover Street Market, and these fools are headed to Brooklyn.
We're inspired to do some shopping,
yeah,
which we cannot do there.
No, oh my god.
That was strictly window shopping.
Strictly. Literally going there makes me depressed because like I see all these things that I like want, but I
just take photos of everything, and
yeah.
For what? I don't know.
It's just to look at them, you know. I can.
Yeah, for inspo. Actually, true. Yeah.
But I'm gonna head back to my dorm because I need to like get ready for my concert. I'm so excited, Baby Keem. It's 7:03 p.m. I got back from Dover Street Market. I've literally just been sitting in my bed, like right there, listening to Baby Keem. But I'm about to start getting ready. I think I know what I want to wear. I want to do something with like cargo pants. It's also so cold. Like it's literally snowing. Thankfully, it's indoors and there's coat check, which is like music to my ears. Coat check is like one of my favorite things in this entire world. Like it's seriously amazing. I'm also so cold. Like I'm shaking and I'm inside and I'm, oh. Why is it so cold? Or maybe like even this would work. Ugh. I can't stop shivering. This would work too. Ugh. It's just so cold. here are the options. So these are the cargos that I'm wearing. I will link them. I got them from Amazon and like they're just perfect, but I will link them down below. So I know I want to wear that with my docs. So for the top, we have like this black corset tank top or just this basic crop black thing. So those are the options. As for jacket, I think I'm gonna wear my BCBG like jacket top because like that goes with the colors and it just works. We're ready. Let me show you the outfit. Top is from Mavi, which is actually a Turkish brand. Pants are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. Docs, yeah, pretty much that's all I'm wearing. I'm so excited! We're in line.
I don't want to go back home. Hey guys, it's Sani, and we just finished at the Keem concert, and this is how it went.
It was we rated him like a solid like 5 out of 10.
5.5.
5.5.
5.5, 6 if we were closer.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. 6 out of 10 performer. Like, I don't know. Right now we're going to Amanda's dorm and we're gonna make spaghetti and I'm gonna eat it with ketchup because that's the way I do it. Amanda's vomit sound effects from behind. Anyway, toodaloo.
Mac and cheese, spaghetti, shoes.
Ew! Oh my god, that looks...
One of my roommates made this and they made me try it.
Wait, do you have like the things to make it like milk? You got milk? Got
Who
milk?
the fuck has milk?
I have milk. It's expired though, like by like 2 months.
Why would I have milk?
You could get the dog food though. I'm sure you'd enjoy that. Bark, bitch. Cinnamon toasties. Low-key Cocoa Crisp. Actually, yeah, fuck it. Get the Cocoa Crispers.
But you do like cinnamon toast, like that's your flavor, you know what I mean?
I know, but CTC got us stand tonight. Anyway, I'm gonna pee. Sex full of adrenaline, pussy puts you right to sleep just like a sad. Come on, bitch. Whoa. What are you doing? He's a mac and cheese expert. That's literally all I see this kid eating.
I see what you were saying.